Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off silent mode on iPhone. So for you to be able to turn on and off silent mode on iPhone, here's the two way, and this is the first method. Just bend your phone over and there's a key button beside your iPhone. Just use it, just pin it up, then your phone will be on silent mode. If you pin it up right now, it is off, and if you pin it down, then the silent mode is on. And the other method is just go to your settings. Once you open your settings, then you try and scroll down a little, then you click on sound and actics. Then if you want to turn off the silent mode, just make sure the volume button is dragged to the highest volume, and that's it. And if you want to go back to the silent mode, you just drag it back, then your phone go back to silent mode, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.